So this video does what it says on the tin. We have 5 marketing essentials plus 1 bonus tip that I'm going to show you at the very end, which actually helped me sell millions of pounds worth of electronics on the internet. So I'm going to set my timer here for a few minutes, and we're going to set that now. I'm going to go through 5 essential marketing tips that you can employ in your business today, which may be slightly outside of the box and some more conventional, but ultimately will help you sell more in your business. So we've got influencers. Okay, we're in a modern world. We have lots of influencers online. Everyone influences someone. Some have big audiences, some have small audiences. If you can get people to recommend your product or your service or your business to their friends or to their audience, that is a great thing to do. Every one person can equal multiple people. So what we did in my business is we approached a number of influencers online with an audience, and we incentivized them to mention our business and give them a kickback. So a type of affiliate scheme, one would say. So approach relevant influencers to your audience. All of this starts with working out exactly who your target audience is. Once you've done that, we can then build around that to find out the best ways to reach them. I challenge you today to reach out to a number of influencers who can recommend your business to their audience. Email. If you are offering your services to businesses, then you can reach out via email and find the email addresses of businesses and legitimately email them offering your service. You can do this on a mass basis, and I would recommend doing it because it gets your business out there. Emailing should be done regularly. Create a newsletter that you can send out and people will know of your business. When someone places an order with you online, have a tick box on the checkout that you're allowed to market to them. Now, what I would also say is in-person sales. Click the email address. If you're selling to somebody, don't just lose their details. They are a customer. Keep them as a customer for life. Find the name of the person that you want to market to and email them directly. A personal email goes a long way. If I received an email in my inbox, I'd probably read it. And if it was tailored directly to me, chances are I might have that business in my head. Cold calling. Now, I built my business off the back of cold calling. I'd ring 160 businesses a day. Don't cold call personal domestic numbers. Only cold call if you're in business to business. If you're offering your services to businesses, perfectly reasonable to cold call them. Social media. If you don't have a profile active on every social media platform, Facebook, Instagram, X, well, you're missing a trick. Become an expert. It's very important these days to become an expert in the field that you're offering your products and services into. People trust it if you have a blog of information on the service that they're buying. So in this instance, let's say you are selling laptops online and you have a blog about laptops, they're far more likely to buy from you than if you've just got one laptop for sale on a website somewhere. So the bonus one that helped me sell millions of pounds worth of electronics: YouTube videos. YouTube is the second largest search engine. You need to utilize that. And like point 5, if you're an expert, just learn how to make videos on the products you're offering, and there is a massive audience there. So if you'd like to market your business, contact us directly and we will help you do so. We also build e-commerce stores. If you're looking for an e-commerce store, who better to build it than people who've sold millions of pounds worth of electronics online?